Reciprocals.
By Ikaira Terrell,
Cooper Crawford.
Donovan.
and Harrison Barnes.
Graph. The graph never touches 0 on the x or y axis because the function is yx and you can't divide anything by 0. You also can't get y to equal 0. This would be considered an asymptote. An asymptote is an unreachable line. The points can reach very close to the axis, but never on a direct point to touch it. Increasing. The graph does not increase because reading left to right as the points move closer to the axis, they're at a constant and don't move up. The decreasing points are always down, and it can't touch the y or x axis. It moves downward, but gets closer to the axis as it does. This means it's always going downward, but never going up, so therefore it's
0, infinity. The points on the graph never end, but they miss 0. They continue again on opposite points, causing one to be negative and the other is positive. The x-intercept, there is not one, and there is also not a y-intercept. Being that no point is able to touch 0 on the x and y axis, there is no y or x-intercept, and you can see that in this table.
Transformation examples. In transformation 1, the first reciprocal was shifted 4 times to the left and 2 spaces down. When the reciprocal is shifted, both of the values become asymptotes. Example, -4 and -2. And as a reminder, an asymptote is where neither of the points can touch. They just become really close and never equal that value. The second reciprocal was shifted 5 spaces to the right, and this made the entire line of +5 an asymptote.
Used in real life. Reciprocals are used in real life when contractors are building bridges. They use the fraction to build cables for the bridge. When bridges are created, the cables are built so they can get the asymptote close to the bridge without touching the bridge. So they use this function to find the asymptote for the different sized cables. Shape found in the world. We use road intersection. Based on this road intersection, the points right here and right here are the reciprocals because it is always going negative on this road right here. The end.
Hey, cool. One more, cool.
fresh.